So this is my poster, and I decided to talk about the topic of Asian hate crime as a result of the coronavirus. I decided to use a lot of graphic imagery as I felt that this would truly emphasize the severity of this issue that not only impacts the people in the Asian community in the UK but also across the world. In my research, I found that there was a 21% increase in the amount of Asian hate crimes that were happening, and I felt that this was something that we truly need to talk about more often.
How would it actually be settling back into society?
I think it would definitely be quite difficult to settle back into society, not just for obvious reasons, such as the fact that, we've been locked in our houses for several months, but also the fact that there is this kind of continued fear that we could become, targets of these hate crimes, and therefore I think it's really important that we show this kind of support and understanding that this is a real issue.
Have you been personally affected by hate crime?
So, yeah, Gloria, that was a really good question. And unfortunately, the answer is yes, I have been directly affected by it. And I personally know a lot of people who have been as well. And the fact is that they are all young and underage and have been a target of people who are grown adults. And the really sad thing about it as well is the fact that now they have a genuine fear to go outside.
Hey Mediana, do you think that hate crime will affect people's mental health?
That was a really good question as well. I think that there will be an increase in the amount of people who will suffer from mental health issues, for example, anxiety or depression, as a result of these hate crimes. And that might be because they've experienced it themselves or they know somebody that has. And I think another big issue in terms of mental health will be like self identity. And therefore, this is something that we really need to help our young people out with.